Hi guys, in this video we will be looking at how can we successfully install and then after uninstall the Google Chrome in our Ubuntu system. So for doing that, first I will go on to show application. I'll type Google Chrome, and as you can see it over here that I have downloaded one package, but don't worry about it. We'll be getting started by downloading this package first and then unpacking it and installing it into our local Ubuntu system. So for doing that, first I will go on to the terminal and let me open up a document for the convenience purpose. So don't worry, I'll be mentioning all of those commands and link into the description so that you could also be able to get started. So first I will be using the command called wget, and then I will be taking the stable release package from Google itself to get it installed into my system. I'll copy this command and let me zoom it. So before doing any of that, make sure you are onto your home screen. So I'll copy this command now. I'll paste it over here. So it's wget https /google.com linux, and let me hit enter. So this is successfully installing, or this is successfully downloading the package from the Google web server. Once we will be having this package available into our local machine, we will be unpacking it and installing it onto your Ubuntu local machine with the help of this command. There you go. So we have successfully downloaded this package. Now let me use a command sudo apt install. I'll hit enter. Oh, it's asking for my password. And it successfully started unpacking and installing that Chrome browser in my local Ubuntu system. There we can see it that it had successfully added the shortcut of Google Chrome. But if in case not, so we can also be able to search it over here. And if we needed to add it as a sort of into our favorites, then you will get a favorite option over here. It's showing remove from favorites because it had already been added as my favorite. So you could be able to successfully add into your favorite section. Let me go on to the command line. So here we can see that we have successfully installed Google Chrome in our local Ubuntu system. I'll click it over here and I'll get started with it. Now for some or the other purposes, what if I don't want to use this Chrome anymore? How could I be able to go over there and install the same thing? So I'll be doing it from the command line again. So for doing that, first I will clear my screen. Let me go on to the document again. And for the uninstalling or removing purposes, we'll be using a command called sudo apt get purged Google Chrome and the stable release that we are having. So let me copy that command. I'll go on to the terminal and I'll paste it. As soon as I hit enter, okay, let me copy it again. Sudo apt get purge Google Chrome stable. Let me hit enter. Yes. So this will successfully remove the Google Chrome from my Ubuntu system. Let me hit enter. Now I'll go it over here. And I'll search with the name of Google Chrome. It's only showing the available packages that I'm having in the file system or in the download section of my Ubuntu local machine, but I have successfully uninstalled the Google Chrome from my Ubuntu machine. Now let me go over there and let me use this command. I'll paste it. Now this will help me removing the unwanted files that I have already had in my system to free up the dependencies of Google Chrome. So there you have the video, guys, in terms of how you could be able to successfully install and uninstall the Google Chrome from your Ubuntu machine.